Hello everyone, have you ever tried making a cake with yogurt? If you have not, I would like you to try this because yogurt has very rich protein in it, which will benefit your health. And other ingredients that we are going to use are just simple ingredients that you can easily find in your home. Yes, and if you are interested to make this very yogurt cake, just join me as I walk you through to all the ingredients you are going to use to make it, because this cake is very soft, fluffy, and good looking. So I'm assuring you that when you try this cake for your loved ones, you will come back to testify. Yes. Without wasting much of your time, let us go straight to this video. Hello everyone, you are welcome back to KeleKitchen. What do we have in today's menu? We have soft and fluffy yogurt cake. And here are the list of the ingredients that you will need to make this delicious soft fluffy cake. Yeah, to my all returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back to watch our video. And if you are new here, this is KeleKitchen. I would like you to subscribe to our channel, share our video, comment and like our video. So in a mixing bowl, you will add the sugar, you add the egg, and you mix it very well. After mixing it very well, you can use your hand to know that it is ready when you don't feel any sandy sugar substance again. So after that, you go ahead to add your oil. After adding the oil, you add the yogurt, the main ingredient for today. So you add it, and after then you add your vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. So after adding the vanilla flavor, you go ahead to mix and mix and mix. Do not overmix again. I say do not overmix. Yeah, if you are still watching up to this moment, please, I would like you to subscribe to our channel to encourage us to make more videos for you. Yeah, comment and share to your loved ones. So as you can see, this is the flour. In this video, I'm using a self-rise flour, so I don't need to add baking powder. In case if you don't have self-rise flour or cake flour, just go ahead, use plain or all-purpose flour and add some teaspoon of baking powder and you are good to go. Before you on your mixer, just use the mixer to go around the flour and combine it with the wet ingredients so that it will not make a mess in your kitchen. So when they combine together, you can go ahead on it and then mix the ingredients to combine very well. So when you finish mixing, you can see and notice that your cake is now very soft. So you go ahead and use your spatula and finish the remaining one. Check under the bowl to see that there is no any flour under it. So after that, you can see you have a soft mixture of flour. So you will use any cake pan of your choice. As you can see, this is the one I'm using. I first of all rubbed it with some oil, and after that I dusted it with some flour so that it will make the cake not to stick after baking. So if you don't have parchment paper, this is an alternative for you. So here I have chocolate chips and shredded almonds. I'll use it to decorate, to add some color to this cake before baking. So this is optional, or you can equally use any other thing you have at home. So as you can see now, you add some little amount of the chocolate chips and the almond shredded one on top of your cake, and you can also use sprinkles to decorate this cake. So as you can see, we are now putting the almond, the chocolate, and after that you will bake this in a preheated oven for 30 minutes to 40 minutes and your cake is done. So go ahead and bake this cake in a preheated oven. I've already preheated mine. So I'm baking this cake in 160 degrees centigrade for 30 to 40 minutes, and after that you come back and enjoy your cake. As you can see, the cake is rising so good, so good, so good. And if you are watching up to this moment and you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button to subscribe to our channel. Like the video, share it and comment. And here is what we have. Look at that, so good looking, golden brown and ready to be enjoyed. Yes. So after baking your cake, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool down before you remove it from the pan, so that the cake will set very well. Look at how this cake is looking, so inviting. And if you are still watching up to this moment, that means you like what you are seeing. So go ahead in the comment section and write good looking cake. Yes, as you can see, the cake has cooled down. So you go ahead and remove it from the pan and it's good to go. You can serve this cake as a snack. You can also enjoy it with tea, coffee or soft drink. Look at the inside of the cake. It looks so soft, so fluffy and good looking. So go ahead, let me know how your cake turned after making it. Share this recipe and let us know in the comment section of how everything turned. So thank you for watching our video, and this is the end of this video. Stay tuned and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day all. Bye bye.